Often when we insert objects into a document, we want to be able to refer to those objects. They might be maps, they might be diagrams, they might be photos, but we basically want to give them a name, give them a reference, and that way we can say refer to figure 10 or map 13. And so we caption objects and then we create a table of figures. So for example, in my navigation pane, I'm going to click on Initiatives. I'll click at the end of Initiatives, press enter a couple of times, and I want to insert some pictures. So I'm going to insert a picture. It really doesn't matter what the picture is. So I'm just going to grab a picture of a lighthouse. I'm then going to resize that picture, which I can do by going to the Picture Tools Format tab and setting the width to say 8. I'll now scroll up because the picture's a lot smaller. It's now further up. Now to add a caption to this picture, I'll right click the picture and I'll go Insert Caption. You can go to References in the ribbon and choose Caption this way, Insert Caption, but I just find right clicking is sometimes quicker. It immediately goes to Figure 1. Now I could change the label from Figure to Equation or Table, or I can even create my own label saying Photo, but I'll stick with Figure 1. I'll just add a dash and I'll put Lighthouse, something to explain what the figure actually is. And OK. Now I want to insert another picture, and I might do this above the current picture. So I'll click above and I'll press enter a couple of times. I'll insert another picture, insert pictures, and this time I'll grab a tree. I'll set the width to 8. I'll scroll up to it, right click and insert a caption, dash tree. And OK. And so now I've got a tree sitting on my page 5, and further down, figure 2 is lighthouse on page 6. So notice the figure 1 lighthouse automatically renumbered to 2 when I inserted another caption. Let's add another picture. This time I'm going to put it underneath the tree, insert pictures, and just grab another picture. And this time I'll go for a waterfall. I'll set the width to 8 and I'll find the picture, right click the picture, insert caption, dash waterfall. And automatically all the captions have automatically renumbered themselves 1, 2 and 3. Now if I decided I wanted to insert a table of figures, I might decide to put it either at the top of the document or put it at the bottom of the document. I might, for example, decide to put it underneath conclusion. I'm actually going to, I'll actually put it at the end of the document. So I'll go Control End. Press enter a couple of times and type table of figures. To insert a table of figures, I'll go to References and I'll go to Insert Table of Figures, and it naturally picks up figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4. But if I'd used a different caption, I'd simply select it from this list. And if I wanted to insert more than one table of figures, you can do that. You can have a table of figures, a table of maps, a table of equations, whatever you're after. I quite like the format formal, so I'm going to go with formal, figure, and OK. And there is my table of figures.